So what is your idea and your take on saving water? Why has water become such an important topic? What would be your say, what would be your plan for water conservation around the globe?
My idea is kind of a long shot, but rainwater, it's pure, but it's not pure enough for humans to drink. So I was thinking that we've done rainwater harvesting, but what if we can do something that can happen spontaneously as soon as rain starts? So I was thinking that we could make very long poles and connect them with filters. The filters would capture dust particles and all the things that are not that are harmful for us human beings, and then it comes down for us. So then we can make small tubs where the water collects, and then we can use it for our daily needs.
In toilet tanks, we can actually have food coloring. So within 30 minutes, your flush gets a color. If it does get a color, then it is proven that you have a leakage somewhere in the pipeline.
We use these plants to have minerals, to take out minerals from the seawater. So instead of using and evaporate the water, the seawater, so instead of using it to just take out minerals and let the water evaporate, instead we could use these plants to use the evaporated water, right? So when you install these plants, instead of having the minerals taken back and let the water evaporate, we take the water with ourselves and use that as fresh water.
You have talked about that water shortage is a major problem in India. Is it the shortage or like the water which is already there, it's being wasted a lot?
See, water sanitation and water shortage are linked. We pollute the water, we do not reuse it, and then we crib about the shortage of it. There is water, we cannot recreate water. It is reusable, but we cannot create water. So we have to judiciously use whatever we have.
So, and what's your take on the religious rituals that we have? Are they contributing to water pollution?
Like the Durga Ma, the idol of the Durga Ma is offered to water for Visarjan. But that is religion. So if we can think about making that Durga idol with some biodegradable stuff like paper mache, etc., or what we can do is either educate the people that actually we can't really educate them and force them to not offer the Durga idol to water, as it is their religion, and they will not be able to take it.
Would banning be a solution to it?
I don't think banning will be a solution to it. With the raising issues of religious intolerance, they will think of the government not supporting a particular religion.
See, everyone should be having water meters installed at their homes, so that we can see, it makes us realize that if there are some leakages in the house, we can easily get to know that. Plus, also if we have water meters, then we'll get to know how much water we are using, because everyone knows that you do not require more than particular amount of water. So a limit should be set by the government, of course, that this much should be the water which you must be using, and if you proceed that, then you must be paying for it. When we're washing a lot of clothes in the machine, if we wash loads of clothes, then after that we can collect that bucket water, that soapy greyish water, and that soapy water can be used for mopping floors, because you don't really need fresh water for mopping, because you just need soap, the detergent. So if you use that soapy water to wash mop the floors, then that water can be used, and I'm sure at least 2 to 3 liters of water can be saved.
So Lavanya, actually I was thinking to invent something, right, which can help us fight against water pollution. If you were at my place, what would you have invented?
I don't know if it would work, but I think that you could actually you could take the seawater and put it in a very large container with a very high lid. And then what I think you could have took a slight net-shaped plastic sheet under that. Evaporate the water so that the water goes up and the salt is down, and therefore you get a little purified water, and after that you can start maybe purifying it further, so that will also lead to less expensive. Another thing is that you can have the wash basin above the flush tank, so whatever water you wash your hands or maybe you brush your teeth, whatever water goes down. So while flushing, that water can be used.
But I guess in future they can make fake clouds which can actually evaporate the water from rivers, and then they can rain, and that water can be used by everyone.
What people estimate to be like the water scarcity and things like that, which are estimated to be coming up in the next few years, many people will be casually saying, if it's not, we won't be alive till then. It will be the next generation. But even if it is your next generation, do you really want to leave a plundered planet in the hands of your next generation? So we need to start doing something now, before things run out of control.